Round one. Fight!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube, and to start off, in lockdown I had nothing better to do, and I was enjoying some good chess on YouTube. So I thought, why not put some good content out myself? For this, I felt I had to improve my rating. So I am going to do just that and improve my rating from 1400 to 1800 and try to do this in 15 days. So let's see how it goes. A chess game can be broken down into three parts: the opening, the transposition to the mid game, finally delivering checkmate with the end game. So in order to better my game, I thought of working individually on these three parts. For this, I'll be working 5 hours a day for 15 days, and I will practice a lot of games and better these three individually. For this, I asked my friend Raghunandan KS, who is an international master, and he guided me and he gave me a lot of books to study. So with the plan and the books in my hand, I'll go ahead and get started.
To practice endgames, I'm using this feature on the app by going to board editor and endgames. There is a whole assortment of endgames which we can play. By selecting one and playing with the computer, you can learn the ideal attack and ideal defense during the endgame.
Should I defend? Nah.
In one of my games, I found a very interesting sequence. In this position, I played queen to d5, offering the bishop, dark square bishop. So if he captures the dark square bishop, that'll be a painful ending for him. Please pause the video and try to find out the next set of moves for black, which can possibly win the game. If you could find them, congratulations. That's a nice set of moves, but there is a catch. So once he captures the dark square bishop, I can play bishop to h3, threatening mate in 1 by playing queen to g2. Now he plays queen b8 check, probably with plans of getting the queen back to the defense. King h7. Now he has to do something about the mate in 1 situation, so he has to block the path of the queen, and the only sensible way is to play rook to e4. Now I'll capture d3 and again threaten mate in 1 by playing queen to f1. So the only move to avoid checkmate is rook to rook to e1. And now I'll play queen to f3, again threatening mate. But at this position, he can try to prevent this mate by playing queen to b1 check. Now I can prevent this check by either pushing my f pawn or my g pawn, and one of them will end terribly for me. Let's say I push my g pawn and block this threat. Now he has this. He can play queen to e4, neutralizing all my threats and offering a queen trade. And once if the trade is made, then he has a winning endgame. But on the other hand, if I push my f pawn, then it itself covers the e4 square, and there is no threat of queen to e4. Now I can go on and deliver the checkmate. But this sequence is not at all unavoidable, and at 2 instances he could completely avoid the checkmate. Please try to find that out, and if you do so, drop it in the comments below.
So at the end of day 13, my rating is 1668. That is 66 points more than yesterday, and that's the highest rise in score in one day. So now this puts me back on schedule, and I'll have to do the same thing tomorrow and day after to hit that 1800. The time now is 2 o'clock of day 15, 2 a.m. Technically it's day 16, and I could only get to 1755 rating. So the last 50 points, it's not been possible in the 15 days, and I played 38 games today. That's almost twice the maximum number of games I had played till now, and it's really hard to push from 1700 to 1800. Till now it's been a cakewalk. From 1700 it's been really hard. So my attempt ends in a failure, but 1755, I think I'm just happy with the rating. So here's my profile, and if I go to the rapid section, here the highest rating, it shows it as 1767. That was on day 16. After hitting 1755 the previous day, I could reach a maximum of 1767. Now it's fallen down again, and this sharp rise from this point to that point, from mid of May to June, that is that peak is the my progress time. These are the final stats. If you guys like the video, please share it and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching.